drippy, wet and dripping. The ice cream is getting drippy. His clothes were drippy after the rain. Crunchy, hard and making a loud sound when you bite it. The chicken was hot and crunchy. This snack is very crunchy. Yawny, making you feel bored or sleepy. The lecture was very yawny. The slow story made me yawny. Tangy, having a strong, sour, and slightly spicy taste. I like tangy lemon juice. The sauce is tangy and delicious. Chappy, having dry, cracked skin. My lips feel chappy in winter. Cold weather makes my hands chappy. Balmy, warm and pleasant weather. They went for a walk in the balmy air. The beach was perfect on a balmy day. Frumpy, wearing old-fashioned or untidy clothes. He looked frumpy in those clothes. He wore a frumpy old jacket. Dusty, covered with dust. His shoes got dusty on the road. She cleaned the dusty table. feisty, full of energy, strong, and not afraid to speak. The dog is small but feisty. She stayed feisty during the argument.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!